I got a suggestion for my mother, and I found it in this book. Okay, where is she? She just got home. She doesn't even know I'm gonna do this. Hello, Mother!
What have you been doing?
I was taking a hot bath. I see you're back, and I want to read you something from this book that might help you sell your property. Remember I was telling you?
Oh, yes.
I had an idea?
Yes.
Here, come over here and sit down at the table here, and I want to read to you a little bit. It's only a couple pages long. And you've had this property for sale for quite some time, haven't you?
Yes.
And has anybody given you any thoughts about buying it yet?
Oh, she said a lot of people have looked at it and been interested, but it's so expensive because of the fact you have to put in a well.
Yeah.
You have to hook it up to the septic tank.
Yeah.
Which is across the road, and that means you have to repair the road, which is very expensive.
All the joys of living in nature, huh? But it's an awesome place, and it's got an awesome view. You can build a house 360 degrees all the way around. You got views coming everywhere out of your throat. Okay.
The right person's going to come along and have a lot of money and love the property, and they're going to buy it, and they're going to build a beautiful home up there.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're thinking about that.
Okay, now
You-
just turn that off. I've got to tell you something.
What? Can't we do this first?
Well, the lady's coming in a few minutes.
What lady?
To hook up my phone. She was going to come after 3 o'clock.
Okay, but
Now she wants to come early.
how long do you think she's going to be here, Mother? What time is it? It's 12:30. What time is she supposed to be here? This is
For any minute.
Any minute?
She changed her time from 3 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Can we do this right after that?
Yes.
It won't take very long. It's something you can do every morning and every night before you go to bed.
Pray?
I'll tell you. It has to do with the power of your subconscious mind, and everybody needs to get this book.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Let me know when she's going to be gone, all right?
Oh, yeah. Yes.